This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going over my step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC in Alabama in two different ways. The first way we're going to talk about is going through the process solo. Now, don't panic. There are only 5 steps, and I'll be there to walk you through the process the whole time and explain everything you need to know to help you set up your LLC. The second way is to leave all the heavy lifting to a professional company such as Bizee. Now, for those of you who haven't heard of them, Bizee is an all-in-one online platform that has helped many businesses form their own LLCs. They're a team of experts who will handle all the heavy lifting of starting your business, taking only a few minutes of your time. So, if you want to learn more about LLCs and how to set one up, then welcome. You're in the right place. If you decide to try Bizee, you'll find an affiliate link in the description. Now, you can set up an LLC in 2 different ways, like I mentioned before. To kick things off, I'm going to start with the DIY approach, where you go through the filing process yourself. So we're going to go ahead and get started on what starting an LLC looks like in Alabama. Step 1. Name your LLC. You'll need to choose a company name that complies with Alabama's naming requirements and search the Alabama state website to ensure the name isn't already taken. You should also register the URL and email for your business website. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. Alabama requires that you nominate a registered agent for your LLC, who is your business's point of contact with the state. The registered agent can be an individual within the company, including yourself, or you can hire a professional service authorized to do business in Alabama. Step 3. File the Articles of Organization. To register your Alabama LLC, you will need to file the Articles of Organization with the state of Alabama. This can be done online or by mail. You should also state whether your LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed. Member-managed means all members of the LLC manage the company. This is good for small organizations where everyone is involved in day-to-day operations. Manager-managed means individuals are appointed to manage the LLC. This is appropriate for larger organizations where not everyone is involved in daily affairs. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. You should also create an operating agreement to establish ownership terms, member roles, and operating procedures. This legal document ensures that all business owners are on the same page and reduces the risk of future conflict. A comprehensive operating agreement will further establish your LLC as a separate legal entity. However, it does not need to be filed with the state. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Lastly, you'll need to get an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. Also known as a Federal Tax Identification Number, your EIN is like a Social Security number for your LLC and is important for taxes and banking. EINs are free of charge and can be obtained from the IRS online or through the mail. With that, you will have formed an Alabama LLC on your own. Option 2. Hire a professional service. The second way to create an Alabama LLC is to hire a professional service to do it for you. So, those are the 5 steps you'll need to complete to create an LLC successfully. It seems overwhelming, especially when you're just starting up and wanting to learn. Thankfully, with the help of Bizee, everything I've just explained can be done within a couple of minutes with minimal effort. Don't believe me? Well, I'm now going to show you how to use Bizee. Once you click the first link in the description, you'll be taken to the same page as me. Bizee is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for their service, which no other company offers. First, to start the process, select LLC as your entity type and choose the state. I'll select Alabama and click Get Started. From here, the formation process begins. You'll see 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The first thing worth mentioning is that the state fee doesn't change. You can see it's $236 in all packages. The state fee is what Alabama charges for opening an LLC. Bizee is not making any income from this fee. It goes directly to the state. Even if you use the state website, the fee remains the same. Alabama offers 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The price for each differs, and I'll explain why. The basic package is the most affordable option. Bizee charges $0 for their service in this package, You only need to pay the $236 state filing fee. This package includes preparing and filing the articles of organization, a free registered agent for 1 year, an online access dashboard, a business banking account offer, and a business tax consultation. No other service provides a free registered agent for the first year without any charge like Bizee does. Next is the standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend because it covers everything you need to start a business legally. It includes everything in the basic package, plus additional services like obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, an operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, a business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553 filing, and more. All these services, except for tax consultation, are required by the state to file an LLC successfully in the U.S. Filing these on your own can be challenging, so this package simplifies the process. The premium package costs $299 and includes everything in the standard package plus 4 additional services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, a domain name with a business email, and a free first-year business phone number. These extras are helpful if you're in a hurry to complete your LLC filing or want added convenience. Business contract templates, valued at $150, include agreements like non-compete clauses, NDAs, and employment contracts. Free next-day filing ensures your documents are processed as fast as possible, although the final timeline depends on the state. The domain name and business email enhance your business's legitimacy by providing a professional email address linked to your company. For the purpose of this video, I'll proceed with the standard package, which is sufficient for most business owners. In the next section, Bizee asks you to provide your LLC name and its designation. Enter your desired LLC name and select LLC as the designator. If you're satisfied with the name, move on to the next step. Here, you can choose whether to expedite your filing for an additional $50. This reduces the typical 3-week processing time to 2 business days. You'll then be asked to provide the personal information of the person responsible for the LLC. Use your verified information when completing this section. Next, you'll choose whether to use Bizee's professional business address or your own. A virtual business address is a great option for privacy and security. Avoid using your home address, as LLC filings are public records and could compromise your privacy. Bizee offers a virtual business address for $29 per month. Finally, provide a verified mailing address for the LLC. P.O. boxes are not allowed. Once you've completed this step, click the Next button. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you want 3 extra services by paying $149 extra. All these 3 services were included in the premium package, which I showed you guys at the start of the video. Since we chose the standard package, Bizee is asking us again, as an upsell with a discount, to pick the 3 additional services that were included in that package. If you think you really need these services, then click on the Get Limited Time Offer button. I will just add these offers and proceed to the next page. In the next section, Bizee will ask you to select the number of owners or members your LLC might have. I will just select one for the sake of creating this video, but if you think your LLC might have more than 1 owner or member, then you can select as many as you like. After that, Bizee will ask you to select whether the member of your LLC is a person or a company. Since an LLC or corporation can own another LLC, that is why company is mentioned in this section as a member. However, since most viewers who are watching this video will select themselves as a member, I will just select the individual option. After that, select your name as a member and use Bizee's virtual office address as your business address. Always remember to use the virtual office address as yours and any other key member of your LLC's address, as previously instructed. Once you are done with this, you can click on the Next button. Bizee will ask whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. One way or another, you're going to need one. Bizee is providing a registered agent service free for 1 year, and after that, it costs $119 per year. I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In this section, Bizee is asking whether you want to get an EIN or not. EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number issued by the IRS and this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. If you are from the USA, then select the No button, but if you are from outside the USA, then you have to file a separate SS4 application, and you also need an ITIN in order to get an EIN, which will take some time. Bizee will help you with the SS4 application too, so you can get an EIN easily as a foreigner. If you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, Bizee will ask you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by Bizee, then click Next. Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank account with Bank of Relay. Remember that this is an optional feature that you can pick depending on your needs. If you don't want to set up your business bank account with Relay, then just click on the Ask Me Later button. For the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes button and proceed to the next step. Next, Bizee will ask whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help clarify how to run and operate an LLC, file taxes, and address other concerns. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is in, Bizee will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits to operate your LLC. For example, if your LLC is in the real estate industry in the USA, Bizee automatically suggests and figures out the licenses you require. The cost of these licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business, where Bizee will do additional research on your behalf to fill out the license form swiftly, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Remember that not all industries require licenses needing additional research. Some licenses can simply be filled out with a form by providing your business information. Below, Bizee is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here. After providing all the required information, Bizee will take you to a review page where you can see all the details you provided so far. Here, you can edit anything, include or exclude services, and make final adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click on the Next button. Bizee will then show you the total due amount. After completing the payment, they will start processing your order. You will receive your LLC formation documents within 2 days to 3 weeks, depending on your package type. For just $712 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of Alabama using Bizee. Personally, I think the price is fair since Bizee will handle all the documents and register your LLC on your behalf. You won't need to go through any hassles. So, assuming you are happy with your current plan, you can go ahead and click Proceed, and then you'll be asked to choose either PayPal or card. It is entirely up to you guys. So, within a couple of minutes, we went through a process with Bizee and successfully created our own LLC. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as well as possible. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.